Think about everything stored on your phone for a moment. Your photos, messages, calls, passwords, banking apps, and even your daily location are all sitting inside one small device. Most people never imagine that someone could secretly monitor parts of that information. That's why understanding phone monitoring tools is important. Some of these tools are marketed for parental control or employee monitoring, while others can be misused in ways that invade privacy. In this video, we're going to look at some of the most well-known phone monitoring tools, what they can do, and most importantly, how you can better protect yourself. This video is made for awareness and educational purposes only. We do not encourage spying on anyone or using any tool without proper permission. With that out of the way, let's get started. First up is Spyware. One feature often associated with this tool is the ability to monitor phone activity remotely. It can also be used to access information related to calls and device usage. Some reports mention features involving camera and microphone access as well. Another capability sometimes discussed is handling SMS-related activities remotely. The important thing to remember is that no unknown app should have access to your camera, microphone, messages, or calls unless you clearly understand why it needs those permissions. Regularly check app permissions and remove anything that looks suspicious. Next is iMonitor. This tool is known for taking automatic screenshots of activity happening on a device. It also includes keylogging features, which means it can record what is typed on the keyboard. Because of that, sensitive information such as passwords, messages, and account details could potentially be captured. A simple habit that helps is reviewing permissions on your device from time to time. If an app has access that doesn't match its purpose, it's worth taking a closer look. Let's move on to Heister Mobile. One feature often mentioned is the ability to recover certain deleted information from a device. It has also been associated with remote camera access features. Another feature that gets attention is its ability to remain hidden or be removed without drawing much attention. This is why keeping your device updated and installing apps only from trusted sources is so important. The fewer unknown apps you install, the lower the risk of unwanted activity. The Truth Spy is another name that frequently appears in discussions about phone monitoring. It includes features related to ambient recording, which means capturing sounds around the device. Some versions have also been associated with monitoring phone calls. Like several other tools in this category, keylogging features are often part of the package. One way to stay aware is by paying attention to unusual behavior. If your battery suddenly drains much faster than normal, your phone becomes unusually hot, or data usage increases without explanation, it may be worth investigating further. Next is CocoSpy. One of the most talked about aspects of this tool is monitoring through cloud backups. In some situations, information stored in backups may be viewed remotely if account access is obtained. This highlights a very important point. Your account password is just as important as your device password. Using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication can make a huge difference. Even if someone gets your password, the extra verification step adds another layer of protection. Now let's talk about XNSPY. This tool is known for offering various remote management features. Some reports describe functions involving microphone access, screen viewing, and device control. There are also discussions about remote lock and wipe capabilities. The best defense is staying in control of who has access to your accounts and devices. Avoid sharing passwords, review connected devices regularly, and remove anything unfamiliar. HoverWatch is another monitoring tool that has received a lot of attention. Features often associated with it include automatic call recording. It has also been linked to taking photos using a device's front camera without obvious notification. Location tracking is another commonly discussed feature. Because of this, it's important to recognize warning signs. Unexpected battery drain, strange notifications, apps you don't remember installing, or unusual data usage can all be signals that deserve attention. Moving on to Spyware. This tool is often promoted for monitoring activity across different social media platforms and messaging apps. It can also track location history and device activity. When discussing tools like this, account security becomes extremely important. Many attacks don't start with complicated methods. Sometimes they begin with a simple fake login page or a message designed to trick someone into entering their password. Always double-check links before signing into any account. One of the most recognized names in this category is MSPy. It is commonly associated with GPS tracking and activity monitoring features. Many discussions also mention its ability to operate quietly in the background. Depending on the device, some advanced functions may involve rooting or jailbreaking. For everyday users, the main takeaway is simple. Keep your device updated, avoid installing unknown apps, and regularly review what is running on your phone. Awareness goes a long way. Finally, we have FlexiSPI. This tool is often described as one of the more advanced options in the monitoring space. Features frequently discussed include call monitoring, activity tracking, and password-related information gathering. Because of its wide range of capabilities, physical access to a device becomes an important concern. Never leave your phone unlocked and unattended in places where someone could access it. A strong screen lock remains one of the easiest and most effective protections available. Now let's talk about some simple steps that can help keep your phone safer. Use strong and unique passwords. Turn on two-factor authentication whenever possible. Install software updates as soon as they become available. Review your apps regularly and remove anything you no longer use. Check permissions and make sure apps only have access to what they actually need. Be careful when clicking links from unknown sources, and always download apps from trusted stores whenever possible. These habits may seem small, but together they can make a big difference. At the end of the day, awareness is your biggest advantage. And the tools discussed in this video show how much information can potentially be collected from a phone when the wrong person gains access. The goal isn't to be scared, the goal is simply to be prepared. Take a few minutes to review your device, check your permissions, and strengthen your account security. If you found this video useful, consider sharing it with friends and family so more people understand these risks. And remember, staying informed is always better than finding out about a problem after it happens. Thanks for watching, stay aware, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.